now they'll touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, and Tool Girl Jade is back. Job done. Great to see you back in the workshop, Jade.
Yeah.
You missed it?
I have.
Yeah, I've missed you too, actually. Okay, so what's this video all about? Well, as you well know, Jade has been in competition with potential Tool Girl Ali and potential Tool Girl Zena. And we need to bring these Tool Girl Tryouts to a conclusion because I know you're all desperate to find out what the result is. And I'd like to thank Jade for coming in today just to give me a hand presenting this video because, you know, she still may not have won. She has no idea at this point in time. We'll find out, won't we? Okay, so I did some sort of number crunching, and this is my very technical analysis of the whole situation. That's complicated words for Saturday, isn't it? So in summary, as of this morning, which is the 11th of August 2018, so if you're watching this in 50 years time, I'm looking a lot older now, really. Now each Tool Girl did 2 videos, as you well know. Ali's shirt video got just over 10,000 views, and the CV joint strip and rebuild video, she got nearly 5,000 views. So all up, it got about 15,000 views between the 2 videos. And she achieved 480 likes via, obviously, YouTube. Jade, in fact, Jade, you can read yours out if you like. There you go, look. So you're in the middle there, look. What did you get for your shirt video?
My shirt video got 6,782 views, 292 likes.
Bloody good.
And
your relay video, wasn't it?
My relay video got 4,705 views and 193 likes.
You can tell she's a bit of a scientist because, like, she doesn't round up or round down. It's just the exact number,
yeah.
And every view counts in Jade's book. Okay, and so all up, you got about 11,500 views. Yeah, okay, which is substantially less than Tool Girl Ali. However, you've got to bear in mind, Jade's videos didn't go out until, what, at least a week after Ali's, I think it was, wasn't it? So it was quite a while before they went out. And of course, there's Tool Girl Zena. Need I say any more about Tool Girl Zena? She achieved just, well, about 5,500 views on her shirt video, and on the valve lapping video, about 3,300 views, giving a total of about 8,700. But you guys can see all of this. Her likes, total likes between the 2 videos, 316, so a little bit down on the other 2 as well. What I didn't tell you is that my analysis wasn't going to be just a total of the views and the likes, because we've got different time frames going on here. You know, Ali's video's been up, you know, longer than yours.
True. And
your video's been up a bit longer than Zena's. So I really wanted to, you know, do a comparison on the percentage of likes versus the number of views that video's had, because I thought that was a pretty fair way of doing it. So with Ali, she got just over 15,000 views, 480 likes, gives about a 3% threshold of people liking that video that have watched it. It's pretty fair, isn't it? Now, Jade, you got only 11, sorry, I shouldn't say only, you got 11,500 views, which is bloody good. 11,500 views, it's fantastic, and 485 likes. So you actually got more likes even though you didn't get as many views. Wow. That was, I know, without elaborating, I know what girls can be like. I don't want you to take any kind of offense, but I was a little bit surprised at that. It shocked me a little bit.
Why?
Yeah, sorry. I'm not going to elaborate. I've told you. I'm not going to elaborate. But it did, I was like, ooh, wow. It surprised me. There's a good word. It surprised me. I was surprised by the fact there was so many more likes. So you ended up with a 4.2% threshold. Now, Zena, I haven't bothered to work that threshold out, but it's not going to be anywhere near because she only got 316 likes. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now, I did also run in the last week leading up to today an online vote on the community section of the YouTube channel. And Ali got 62%, Jade got 29%, and Zena got 9%. and there was only 222 votes that came in on that, which was a really small segment. So I decided to ignore that. Sorry, my fault. But I thought, well, 220 people, that's not really, you know, when you're looking at 15,000 views, it's not really very big. When you're doing a survey, it's not really a very big sector of the marketplace, is it? So I thought, well, yeah, okay, maybe use that next time right from the start. So you know where we're going with this, right? Jade wins. Well done. High five.
High five.
Welcome to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And this calls for a bit of a celebration because we've got a bit of a talky bit to do next. So it wouldn't be Cider Saturday without cider. It's very early.
Thank you, Andy.
That's all right. Welcome back. And welcome permanently to the
Yay.
channel. I say permanently because you never really know how long a Tool Girl is going to be around. You know, you're an actress. You do a lot of work, and sometimes you get pulled away out of area and you're really busy. So, you know, you just don't know how long you're going to be available to do videos. But all we can do is celebrate here and now the fact that you're here, and hopefully we're going to do many more videos together.
Sweet.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah, good stuff. And thank you for all of your support out there and all the votes and the comments that came through. And we're going to be doing a mail call video next, and Jade will be commenting on some of those comments. Bit of feedback.
Great.
So yeah, watch out for that video coming up soon. Cider. The first mouthful is always the best, isn't it?
Refreshing.
That's really good. I mustn't have too much because I've got a long day ahead, and so have you. Okay, we'll just sip. Now, you may be wondering, a bit of a news for you, a bit of a news flash on this video. Are you sat down and ready? Because it involves Tool Girl Hannah. Yeah. Tool Girl Hannah has notified me that she has moved out of the area to do with her acting work. She's extremely busy at the moment and is very upset that she can't come back at the moment and do any more videos. I just want to quash any kind of rumours that it had nothing to do with the injury that I had on my nose a few weeks ago. Don't try and read between the lines. It had nothing to do with that. Basically, her popularity within her new chosen career of being an actress and doing, photo shoots and all that kind of stuff, and she does extra work. So she's really, really busy full time doing that. She just doesn't have the time to come down and do any more videos at the moment. And of course, she's had to move away from the area, for a big job that's come in. So good on her. I'm really pleased. And we did make a lot of videos together. And Hannah, if you're watching this, I had a fantastic time videoing with you. And I'm really, really sorry to see you, not being able to come in and do any more videos with me. It's going to be very different without you around. And, every Tool Girl is different, but for me personally, Hannah had a very special, element that I really enjoyed. Okay, crew, right, so Jade is on the channel, and we're going to be making quite a few videos today.
Sweet.
I've got a long list, which is just here. Look at that. Another very technical scribble made of a breakfast this morning. Breakfast was a cigarette, by the way, and a coffee. That was about it. That's all I've had so far, so I'm really hungry. And somebody turned up very late this morning. Honestly, Tool Girls.
Still the morning.
Well, we're 8 minutes into doing this video, and believe me, it's not morning anymore. I think we pressed the start button just before noon. Yeah. Okay, so you're obviously very happy to be on the channel.
Yeah.
Now, there was a covenant. I had the what do you call them? So the fire assessor came down to check the workshop out, make sure we're all up to compliance. And he said, Mr. Young, I've been watching some of your videos on YouTube just to get a background of what you do in your workshop and that kind of thing. And he said, everything is absolutely fine except that Tool Girl Jade girl that comes on the channel. He said, you're going to have to take additional measures when she's in the workshop. I said, well, why is that? He said, because she's so damned hot. So he gave me this. So basically, wherever you are in the workshop, he said we have to have this within a 5-foot proximity of wherever you are, because you might spontaneously combust at any second. What do you say to that? I mean, the guy's on it. He's obviously, you know, he's very proactive in fire prevention, I think. But you know, don't set it off if you do. Yeah. So there you go. You see, New Zealand Fire Department, they care. It's great. Good job. Right. So you've got to stay close to that at all times, or at least move it around with you. Yeah. It's okay. It's near enough as it is for now. Okay, crew. Well, there you go. That is the summary of this current round. It may happen again in the future. I don't know. I might manage it a little bit differently and maybe wear a mask if Tool Girl Hannah's Hannah's around again. Yeah, maybe one of those ice hockey masks would be quite good. It'd be just to protect the old, you know. It took a while to heal up, did that? Anyway, okay, all good. Right, so there you go. End of this round of the Tool Girl Tryouts, and Tool Girl Jade is here to stay. Give us a twirl, because I actually did a little surprise. I actually got her shirt changed a little bit. So give us a little twirl there, Jade. There you go. So you may not notice too much, but it's been shortened, and the arms have been shortened a little bit too. So I thought that would, you know, because it sort of drowned you a little bit, because you are very petite, I'll give you that. In a very nice, cute way. Yeah, good job. Okay, crew, well, we need to sign off, don't we? So if you stand over here, there you go. And so how do we start off? We say, basically, if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you'll see the little subscribe button in the top corner. Click on subscribe. You'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. And our friends down at YouTube, well, they're going to send you an email. Your hair is dripping, isn't it? It's just dripped on my arm.
Yeah, I washed it.
Good job. People have been wondering. Who was it? Oh, Sarah, Tool Girl Sarah. Whenever she's on camera, she always has wet hair. And she's like, I'll just get out of the shower. And everybody starts thinking what's going on, you know? Because, yeah. Okay, so there you go. So if you want to subscribe, our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. And my apologies, there haven't been any new videos for the last week. I've been away with work, and I can't film videos when I'm away. It's just not going to happen because I'm not here. Now, you'll also find me on, do you remember? Because your little crib sheet's gone.
Yeah, no.
Is it still here? I don't know. Maybe I've used it.
Facebook, Instagram.
Oh, tell the people, not me. I know where to find me.
Facebook, Instagram, Google Plus,
and go on, you know it. It's like a little bird.
Twitter.
There you go. See, the clues work, don't they? Okay, crew. Well, a short video, and I hope we've come up with the right results on this. I think we have. I'm very confident. Although I must say, I did enjoy having Tool Girl Ali around as well, and maybe she'll do a guest appearance at some point in the future. I will, however, just before I sign off, little sort of spoiler alert, I suppose. I did film a third video with Tool Girl Ali, which was a fail video on when we were attempting to get a CV joint off a drive shaft, and there was a bit of another video previously about why it wouldn't come off, and we broke a tool doing that. Oh, I did anyway. So that video now is going to be released at some point in the next few days.
Ah, cool.
All right, so watch out for that too, and obviously enjoy. All right, guys, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.
Oh, God, give it some more enthusiasm, woman.
And goodbye from me.
There's millions of people watching you. Well, might be one day. Who knows?
Maybe.
All right, crew. Cheers. Over and out. And you get the flip up again.
Oh,
Yes.